B is for butterfly. B is for butter.
B is for bun.
B is for ball.
B is for bug. B is for bucket.
B is for brush.
B is for bread. Let's share the fun. B is for brain. Let's learn and play in this cosmic space.
B is for boy.
B is for boxer. Watch this little boxer dog show us how it's done with energetic punches and jumps.
B is for books.
B is for bone. B is for boat.
B is for biscuits. We're so happy and bouncy. Come join our fun.
B is for bird.
B is for berry. Look at these bouncy berries in the beautiful jungle.
B is for bed. B is for bear. B is for bat.
B is for basket. Look at the basket sway and bounce with all its fun items.
B is for banana.
B is for balloons. B is for ball.
B is for bag.